Okay, so we are just 3 kilometers away from Kheerganga and we have taken a Maggie stop,
Break.
Maggie break. We are 1 kilometers away from reaching Kheerganga
Yes.
and it started raining. I think we can see the campsite. See there. What are you having, Shailendra? Croissant?
Croissant with chocolate.
Give me one
It's
bite.
really nice.
It's nice. Yeah.
बन है तन्वी, croissant नहीं है.
I want one more bite.
Chicken है भरत.
Yum.
So we have covered 12 kilometers till now, and 3 kilometers are left. So we are just taking a Maggie break, and we'll eat Maggie and then we'll continue with our trek.
3 hours, 18 minutes trek still going. And see the Maggie point view. So what would you suggest if people are coming to Kheerganga? Is it an easy trek, moderate trek, difficult trek? What do you think?
If you haven't trekked in a while or you don't exercise, then it is a moderate trek. But if you do exercise and you're fit, then it is kind of easy trek.
Yeah.
Yeah, for me it was moderate. For her it is easy. So
Yeah. And the best part is there are cafes and stalls at each and every interval. Like half an hour intervals, you get these cafes where you get cold drinks, Gatorade, Maggie, omelette.
yeah,
So you don't have to carry huge bottles of water and
it
trek.
is a little expensive than
Yeah.
the market price, but yeah, it is okay because it is at a higher altitude and they also have to carry all those things. So
Yeah. So
it is fine.
for example, the Gatorade MRP costs 50 rupees. So they sell it here at 70 rupees or 80 rupees.
Yeah, if you go.
As you climb higher, the
yeah,
prices soar
gets
higher.
also higher. Yeah.
And what about the walking in the trees? Was it peaceful? Was it serene?
Yeah, it was really amazing because the water, if you can hear
Waterfall.
the waterfall, that sound, and the trees, the air flowing through the trees, that sound is really peaceful.
We could only hear the gushing of the water.
Yeah,
And birds chirping. That's it.
it's really peaceful.
Yeah.
But you have to choose your distance from the other groups, but because there is a big group behind us, they are like students from some school,
Yeah.
and they are making so much noise. So
Yeah. So we basically like to trek in natural noise, like no speakers, no noise, no walking, no talking, no shouting.
and people who are trekking with a speaker, please don't do that. Please,
Just
please don't
just
do that.
just you should enjoy the view, enjoy the trek, enjoy the
don't-
nature.
क्या कौन सा होता है, कौन सा, which song they were playing? Char bottle vodka and all. These songs not go in this mahal, so please don't.
No, but just
Maggie
enjoy the
said.
nature.
Okay.
Thank you, भैया.
ये ले लेता हूँ मैं. Thank you so much.
So now it's Maggie with a view.
And after 10 minutes we'll eat it because
Now the photo session begins. 1 kilometers away from reaching Kheerganga,
Yes.
and it started raining. Luckily, I had this raincoat, disposable plastic raincoat, and Shailendra had his
Jacket.
waterproof jacket, so it was a savior
Hello.
for us. Oh, last 1 kilometer is
Little bit difficult.
it's getting difficult for us because now our legs are tired. So let's keep the spirit going. Yeah, Shailendra,
Yes.
you're tired?
Huh?
Little bit?
Yes.
Legs are paining? Legs are paining?
Yes.
Come on. We're about to reach. Come on. This last half a kilometer, I think. This seems to be steep and tough, and legs already tired. Yeah. I think we can see the campsite. See there. See, that is the campsite. We're almost there. 5 minutes more.
Chalo.
Chalo.
It's taking too much of power to climb. बुरी हालत है.
बुरी हालत है?
Yes.
वो तो है. But look at this view. Snow-covered mountains. Chalo, let's go. We are on our way to our camp. Searching, where is it? It seems that's a campsite. Hopefully that should be. We don't have energy now to walk. Oh my god, but this place is beautiful. Finally we reached. What time is it?
It's 3:44.
Oh, nice. It's raining now, so
We're searching for the tent.
we're searching for the tent. Yeah. Hello.
Yes.
We are finally inside the camp.
Yes, finally.
So we reached the camp at
No. Our tiring journey of 5 hours and 30 minutes ended at 3:45 p.m.
Yeah. So in the morning we started at 10:30.
Yes.
And we actually
And-
reached the camp at 3:30.
Yeah.
But since we were exhausted, and this camp is
Basically, this is the last camp in the Kheerganga campsite. So
And
it is very it's at the top basically. Nothing
yeah,
else.
it's at the top. So from the from where the camp starts to this campsite, it was 15 minutes.
Yeah, yeah,
So we are on the extreme right of the campsite.
yeah.
So that took us 15 minutes. So
Yes.
we reached by 3:30. So 10:30 to 3:30. How much time? 5 hours.
5 hours. Yes.
So we covered in 5 hours.
Yes. And it's raining outside, and we can hear the
Rain.
rain. We'll show you the tent from outside and the campsite when the rain stops, if it stops.
Now we are super tired. Our
I'm
legs
taking a
are
lamp,
paining.
taking a nap, not lamp.
He's super tired,
Yes.
super exhausted, as you can see. So
See you
we'll
guys
just take rest.
Yes.
See you guys in some time.
Okay, so after 1 hour 15 minutes later, we had a good nap,
Yeah.
and now the rain has stopped.
So Shailendra, where are we going?
We are on our way to hot springs right now. चलो फिर निकलते हैं.
Chalo.
Yes.
It's 10 minutes walk.
Yes.
See, you can see it.
Yeah,
The
it's
hot
10
springs.
springs.
The orange one, yeah.
यहाँ पे जो धुआं दिख रहा होगा आपको, वही है वह. We're almost back at the campsite, and Tanvi is coming. Come. Yes.
Hello.
So how was the hot spring experience, Tanvi? Next level?
Must do.
Must do. Okay.
अरे वो पानी इतना गर्म था, पूरी थकावट निकल गई.
Nice.
I could just dip my legs because I thought, there won't be any good changing place. But tomorrow morning I'm again going to dip into that hot springs.
Awesome.
Those were amazing.
Yes. It is really refreshing to put
Yeah.
your foot and do those. Yeah.
Hot water.
Hot water. Yeah.
So we had dinner. It was basic dal chawal, just survival of the fittest. Eat to live.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we are back in our tent, and we are getting ready to sleep now.
Yeah.
Still, it's 8:30, but we are going to sleep.
We're going to
and
sleep.
Wake up in the morning. Let's see what tomorrow brings.
We suddenly heard a loud scream and later came to know that a bonfire log fell on a boy who was sitting beside the bonfire. His pant had caught fire, but fortunately, no one was injured. That's the end of day 2. We'll end this video here and see you guys tomorrow.
Yes. If you're liking this video, please hit the like button, and you're enjoying our series, and consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, so we are all set, and we are starting our
Return journey.
return journey.
का तू? So here's a quick update. So basically, we took a different direction and ended in a wrong route.